How to transfer Google Play Store money to Fampay. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will see if it's possible to transfer Google Play Store money to Fampay. So to find out that, let's get started. First of all, open up Google Play Store in your device and make sure you are logged in with one of your Google account. Once on your home page, navigate to your profile icon from the top right corner. From this menu bar, tap on Help and Feedback and tap on Search Help, and then tap on Transfer or type in Transfer Money. And as you can see, there is no any options to transfer money to any other third-party application or third-party platform. You can only transfer Play balance from your child's account, or you can add to or check your Google Play balance. Here your balance will only be confined within the Google Play's area. So unfortunately, you will not be able to transfer Google Play balance to Fampay. And I hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.